Hello everyone, my name is Albertina Renilda Ekayani. I'm from English Literature Study Program at Basawa University. And this is my final project for speaking class. So today I will review some of books. And the first one, I'm going to review this book with the title Happily Ever After by Wina Effendi, publisher by Gagas Media. So when the first time I read this novel, I was immediately interested because this novel is by Wina Effendi as one of my favorite writers. And this novel presents a story about a family wrapped in classic fairy tale elements that are very unique. This novel tells the story of a family who lives happily, and there is a father, mother, and a daughter named Lulu. Lulu idolized her father very much. For him, father is the most favorite figure in the world. So Lulu's father is an architect who likes to read fairy tales to his daughters before going to bed. And various kinds of fairy tales from any parts of the world have been read by his father. Stories in fairy tales that are full of happy endings have always been a question for Lulu. Will in reality our lives find a happy ending like in a fairy tale? But although the main theme in this novel is family, but the outdoors also presents an element of romance. And Lulu, as the main character, is told to meet a boy who always carries a Polaroid camera wherever he goes because he wants to capture every moment in his life and also to record every face of the people around him. So he also teaches Lulu to not to give up even though the hope in front of her is not enough to muster her courage. So the last, for me, in terms of plot, setting, characters, story ideas, everything is very interesting in this book because the author succeeds in creating a new formula in his writing. And one more thing, although this novel is the result of new formula, but Wina Effendi's writing is not lost because she always inserts a teenage love story in her novel, as always. So I think that's all I can say about the review of these books, and let's see the next books. And the next book is about literature. So literature is a book written by Prof. Dr. Atiu, published by PT Dunia Pustaka Jaya in 2003. This book tells about introduction to literary theory, definition of literature, structures and relationships of literary works with reality, and also about history and also aesthetic problems that exist in literary works. So in my opinion, this book uses language that is difficult for people who are new to studying literature because in this book there are many literary terms that have not been studied. So for me as well, I must first look for the meaning of words that are difficult for me so that I can understand the contents of this book. And for me, this book helps people who are just learning literature to know and get to know what is in literature, such as the pointers of literature and the history of literature, the development of literature from ancient times to the present. But first of all, we must be willing to look at the meaning of difficult works in this book first, so that we can understand the meaning and the purpose of this book. So we can learn anything about literature through this book. And I think that's all I can say about review of this book. And let's see the next book. And the next book is the title of Some Kind of Wonderful, The Outdoors by Wina Effendi and publisher by Gramedia. So Some Kind of Wonderful novel tells the story of two people who have both lost the one they once loved. The name is Liam and Rory are brought together by fate that makes them both want to heal wounds from the past due to loss. And Liam is a celebrity chef and Rory dreams of becoming a musician. If we feeling the same fate and suffering, both of them complement each other to give rise to the seeds of love. And it sounds glitch, but the author is able to write it in a different style. And in my own opinion, Rory's character is more prominent in this novel because she really feels the suffering she goes through. The sadness and suffering that he experienced can be clearly conveyed to the reader, so that this makes me empathize. So as for Liam, his figure looks stronger and more drivable maybe than Rory. So the story of both feels very soft and calm to read. And actually there is one thing that I feel is missing from Wina's novel writing style this time, namely the delivery of Rory's dreams, which is less existing in my opinion. So the portion of Liam's background as a celebrity chef is indeed described in detail, but the portion about Rory's dream as a musician is not too much. But overall, all the stories are safe in my opinion. So reading this novel can make the heart calm and sad and feel sad at the same time. So the climax and the ending of this novel are also very satisfying. So I also remember a quote of this novel is strength is calm of people who stay up in life each day with hours, even though the last thing they want to do is life. And strength comes from the smiles of those who grieve, from those who have lost everything but are still holding on. So I think that's all my review about some books, some novels that I have read before. And thank you so much for your honorable attention to watching my video. So see you on the next project.